What is the point of a dual SIM phone? A smartphone or phone that can hold two different SIM cards at the same time is called a dual SIM device. Having two SIM cards means that a dual SIM smartphone can use either of the two SIMs to initiate or to receive phone calls. Can you have two SIM cards with the same number? You can use a SIM card duplicator to make a copy of a V1 SIM card and have two phones that have the same SIM card and phone number. So as long as your current SIM card was purchased before 2001, you can have a dual SIM card for the same number. How can I use two WhatsApp in dual SIM phone? Your WhatsApp account can only be verified with one number on one device. If you have a dual SIM phone, please note that you still must choose one number to verify with WhatsApp. There is no option to have a WhatsApp account with two phone numbers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.